Welcome back to Money Talks with Mike. If you're new here, I'm Mike, business partner of Bryson Kyle, an OnlyFans creator who's earned over $1.5 million on the platform since October of 2020. Today I'm sharing some valuable insights on what we've learned along the way. First, if you're considering starting OnlyFans, don't wait. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start growing your audience and earning money. Second, consider using a stage name or alias. It can help protect your personal identity and make your account easier to find. Third, set up separate social media accounts for your OnlyFans content. This can help protect your main accounts from bans and things like that. Fourth, network and post content more frequently. Collaborate with other creators, do shout outs, and keep your content fresh. Fifth, use tags effectively. They can boost your visibility of your posts and help potential subscribers find your content. And finally, always stick to your boundaries. It's crucial for you to feel comfortable with what you're posting. Your comfort and authenticity will resonate with your audience. Remember, success on OnlyFans doesn't happen overnight. With these tips, you'll be well on your way. If you need more help or just don't know how to get started, we have a course available for less than your annual Starbucks budget. It's not too late to change your life. Follow for more insights. Have a great day.